All right, all you cool cats and kittens, we're going to go ahead and start to build our vacation home. I started Floor Planner. I named it Vacation Home Fly. We're going to go ahead and draw a room. Before I get here, for our drawing, our walls were 6 inches. So you got to make sure you go 6 and then the parenthesis or quotation, sorry. And then our wall height that we're building is 8 foot. So it's 8 apostrophe. We're going to go ahead and start to draw a little bit. As you see here down at the bottom, I kind of have how it can lay out and I can type it. We do have to, because the room, when I type in the amount, wants to do inside walls. So instead of 33 by 22, I'm going to do 32 feet by 21 feet. And there you go. Now you see that the outside wall is 33 and the outside wall is 22, which is similar to here's my 22. Here's my, oh, it's 31. So I need to go back and change that. Here we go. We can easily change the outside. We said that it was 31. And since I'm shortening it, I want to hit this middle part, which means bring both walls in equal amounts. And it didn't like it. So I'm going to try to do this instead of, we're going to type in 30 for that. There we go. So hopefully you watched the video and you saw that. So basically, if you can get yourself to 31 by 22, and the insides are 21 and 30, we're going to go ahead and just add 2 rooms today. So we're going to go to draw a room. Notice the thickness and the wall height are the same. And I know that if I zoom in with the wheel, you'll see these blue lines, which means, hey, I got the center. So if I click and I start building my room, you'll see that this number gets bigger and bigger. This one is going to be 9 foot, 6 inches. And if I hit the comma, the length of the room is 12 feet. So let's see if that works. Uh-oh, it kind of did something kind of funky on me. So I can Control Z and undo that with no problem. We're going to go ahead and try that again. There we go. So right now, I don't know if I can click here and make this 9 foot, 6 inches. A little trial and error right now. I don't know why it wants to go really far. I must be typing it in wrong. So let's try that again. 9 foot, hit the space bar, 6 inches. And we want to take it closer to, let's see here. What if I hit that one? There you go. So I brought the wall in, and you'll notice that it is 9 foot, 6 inches. And let's see here. If I move this wall, it should be at 12 feet. So I'm working my way to 12 feet. It's probably pretty difficult to do. I'm going to zoom in a little bit because it doesn't give me, well, maybe it does right here. Let's see. I want this 12 feet, and I want to kind of expand it upward. So I'm going to hit this upwards arrow, and there it did. So I did get the room to be 12 feet, which is awesome. We're going to go ahead and draw another room. Notice 6 feet or 6 inch thick, 8 feet ceilings. We're going to work from the top here. And this one is the neat part is it's the same sort of width that I want to say 9'6", and it is inside 6 feet 6 inches. So 6 feet, and then we kind of have the almost 6 inches. All right, so I'll click on here. Nope, that won't do it for me. But if I click here, we want this to be, well, this is on the outside, so I better be careful. Let me see here. If I click here, oh, that's 12 inches. That's good. So what if I go 6 apostrophe space 6 quotation? Oh, it kind of expanded my room out a little bit. I'm going to control Z that bad boy. I'm going to click it again. 6 foot space 6 and then quotation mark, but I want it to go downwards. I'm going to say expand that wall a little bit downwards. And there you go. I now have, it appears to be a room that's 6 feet 6 inches by 9 feet 6 inches. And then over here, I have my room that is 9 feet 6 inches wide and 12 feet long. So I'm going to see if you can go ahead and try to do what I did there. One other thing I can do is I can click on it and I can go with the room type. This is going to be a bedroom. And this over here, I suppose we could also make a, I'm looking to see if it gives us the option to make another bedroom, but it doesn't. So we'll just call that a kid's room. So now we've sort of labeled it. I know we haven't put the closets, windows, or doors in yet, but that's a good start for today. Hopefully my tutorial, as you see, it took me a little time to do it. It may take you a little time too. Hopefully that morsel is enough for today. All right, let's get her done.